So hey guys, welcome back to what the So hey guys, oh my god, something has happened to my voice and personality. Shit man, why is this happening right now?
やれやれだぜ
What the heck? Or maybe I am just dreaming, right? Welcome back to Okasan Talks. No, dude, this isn't a dream. Wait, this voice feels very similar. Maybe I should call him to check what's going on. Wait, what the hell? It happened to you too? Oh wait, I got a text. If you want to get your voice back, you need to follow these 3 things. Record this whole video with your new voice. What the heck? You cannot cheat by exchanging videos. Get at least 25 likes on this video. Wait, what? Wow man, I am done for. That many people don't even watch my videos. Well, there is no point in panicking right now. The only thing I can do is finish recording this video. So yeah guys, you have to deal with this voice for now. Well, actually it is better than my original voice, so I am not complaining at all. Let's get started with the top 10 psychological thriller anime. So this genre has always been one of my favorites, mainly due to its amazing way of telling a story and of course the thrill element. And also if you don't see some of the anime here, that's probably because I have already added them in my previous top 10 mystery anime list. So do check it out if you haven't already. Again, before starting, this is just my opinion in bold. On number 10 we have Be the Beginning. The story of this anime revolves around a mysterious criminal organization, a serial killer known as Killer B, and Keith, an investigator. It happens in a world powered by advanced technology, crime and action, so there is a good amount of gore if you are into it. If you love conspiracy, supernatural elements and murder mystery, you will definitely like this one. Though the action, mystery and the plot seems quite good and entertaining, there are times when you can lose the track of the show because there is so much going on in such a short period of time. But it is definitely worth a one-time binge. On number 9 we have Paranoia Agent. So who doesn't want to see a kid going around attacking people with a bent golden bat? So the victims believe it was done by a kid popularly known as Shonen Bat. Well, is it real though, or the people are just going insane? And there is a lot of symbolism going in this anime. It has good psychological stuff, but if you overthink about all those things, man, you are in for a headache. Again, this anime cannot be easily placed under good or bad. It completely depends on what you like. So if you love having those blanks and interpreting your own thoughts and analyzing the anime, then Paranoia Agent is definitely for you. On number 8 we have Babylon. Is killing yourself okay? What is the meaning of good or bad? Answering these seemingly simple yet complex stuff is the highlight in Babylon. So Zen Sasaki is a public prosecutor who is investigating a case which involves illegal clinical research related to a drug company and a university. This gets him trapped in a chain of events and eventually takes a dark turn as we go further into the story. I really love the thriller aspect in this anime, which makes you curious about what possibly might happen next. And this anime is very underrated, so you should definitely check out this. Now the following 2 are actually movies, but only the best psychological ones. So I have decided to add it here. On number 7 we have Paprika. So this is one of the best psychological thriller that gave me chills at some point. Probably because I watched it during my noob level. But today also it is equally entertaining. So there is a device called DC Mini which is invented by a genius scientist Tokita. That device is used to enter into a patient's dream and enable them to monitor the patient's inner world in order to cure them. But one day the device gets stolen and the dreams of those concerned with the DC Mini project are being attacked one by one. So the Paprika rises against the dream terrorist who uses the DC Mini that is strong enough to destroy one's personality and cause trauma. Sounds quite interesting, right? Believe me, it is. Moving on to the another masterpiece, on number 6 we have Perfect Blue. Mima, a pop singer, leaves her group when she lands a role as an actress in a sexually charged murder mystery series. Her life begins to fall apart when she sees a stalker describing every single intimate detail of her life. Reality and hallucination merge into a terrifying world and become a nightmare. Now the plot may seem like a simple stalker crisis, but you won't be ready for the ending. I am 100% sure that you will rewind at least a few times to grasp it. On number 5 we have Happy Sugar Life. This is a very underrated and underappreciated psychological anime. I don't know why not many people like this because this anime has an awesome story with an amazing end. So this story is about a girl named Sato who has someone she likes. For this person she is willing to do anything, even killing someone, as long as she can protect her feeling of love. What I loved about this anime is whatever Sato goes through can totally happen to anyone. And all the characters are properly justified as to why they do all those gruesome stuff. That is the true power of a psychological anime. If you would like me to make a separate review video on Happy Sugar Life or any other anime, then do let me know in the comment sections. On number 4 we have Madoka Magica. Madoka Magica is one of those anime which makes you think that there are cute girls doing things, but the dark turn it takes after a few episodes is very shocking. Madoka is an ordinary school-going girl, and there is another girl named Homura who looks exactly like the girl who appears in the Madoka's dream, and she gets transferred to her school. Madoka has to stand against her new fate as a magical girl. On number 3 we have Kaiji. Kaiji is one of the best psychological gambling anime. I mean heck, I made a whole review out of it. Do check it out. So the story of this anime is about Kaiji, a loser who steals for a living. But one day a man comes up to him to collect a debt of 3 million yen, which he co-signed with her co-worker Furuhata. This debt is on Kaiji and so begins his nail-biting gambling journey which will almost give you a heart attack. And remember this thing that his life depends on his gambling, still he cannot win every single time. On number 2 we have Steins Gate. Steins Gate is obviously one of the best time travel thriller anime out there. And most of you must have already watched it, but if you haven't, Rentaro Okabe is a self-proclaimed mad scientist. He and his lab members managed to customize their microwave into a device that can send messages to the past. Things start to get very nasty when an organization named CERN tracks them down. Now Rentaro has to find a way to save his lab members and his invention from falling into the evil hands. Even though this series feels confusing in the beginning, just keep watching it and everything will eventually make sense. Before moving to number 1, if you like my reviews, leave a comment down below. That would be very much appreciated, and do subscribe for a big
Ching ching.
On number 1 we have none other than Parasite. Parasite is a masterpiece and has been my all-time favorite anime which has got an amazing story and character development. The thing that I crave in any anime. If someone does not like this anime, then dude, you got trash taste. So parasites invade the earth, start massacring humans right and left and take over their brains. And one parasite attempts to take over the protagonist Shinichi's brain but fails and enter into his arm instead. Now they have to learn to live with each other in order to survive. The journey, their bond and the character development is so good that it will make you smile and cry at the same time. Also, this anime series has one of the best villains. That's it for the video guys, and yes, don't forget to hit like and comment. I need at least 25 likes to get my trashy voice back. Arrivederci.